All right, time to put the spider gears back in this rear end. Let me show you the quick and easy way to do it. Take one gear, drop it right at the top any way you like. Go ahead and rotate the axle and put your hand behind the back so you can support that gear. Once that gear is down the bottom facing straight up and down, take your second gear and drop that at the top. Now a quick way to check it, to make sure you're not like a tooth off, is to take your pin and you can drop the pin through and see if it lines up straight with the hole on the other side. If it doesn't, you have the opportunity to move your gear over until your pin slides in freely. Once that pin slides in freely, go ahead and rotate it all the way across. Take your pin, slide it into the other side, and simply put your bolt back in.